Good day, traders. How are you today? Some more crop chop today. This is the NASDAQ 5 minute. If you can see up at the top of the chart, we're looking at the 5 minute. So anyway, there was a trade here right with the news. We got a low, a retracement, and a lower low. See? These ones are like the hard ones to see, remember, because the news was involved and there was a big wick on the bottom of this sucker. But anyway, it was divergent. The entry was right here. Right there to get long. This is the NASDAQ. Your stop would have been 48 points. And did you get your 48 points? Oh yeah, it's right there. Then we had a double top right up here. Yeah, it's not perfect. Nothing's perfect. Wow, that's coming right in the middle there, huh? I gotta check something out here. Okay. Oh, stop that noise. Okay, this come. Oh, ah, you little something. That's what you are. Anyway, goes down like that, something like that. You would have sold right here. And down it went. Okay, stop was 22 points. Went down 50 points. Would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that one. Also, I got to show you a couple of these. On the way up, there's this one. Lower close on this candle, then buy it and up it goes. Okay. That one didn't count. This one did though. Buy it here. Up it went for 15 points. And there was another one right here, and it was the 10 o'clock news, I think. No, it was the open. That's before the open. Anyway, that's the deal right there. Okay, let's look at the S&P, known on this platform as the US 500. It has the same news trade. I bet you they all do right here. Low and lower low. And right there. And you would have got in long right there. Stop was 11 points. It went up 20 points. And there was a couple little lower close doodahs here, and it went up, as you can see. Then we have the Dow. And same trade, see right here with the wick, same trade on all three of them. Right there, just like that. And just like this. Oh, he's clicking on the stupid label thing. Yeah, right there. He would have got long up it went. It went far. It's the Dow, right? Went up 220 points. Then it had a perfect double top and sell right here and down it goes. Okay. Oh, I hate this platform, how it does that. got short there, right there. Stop would be 61 points. I think you got it. Oh yeah. Went down 87. This one you would have got 1-to-1 or 2 or maybe even 3-to-1, and this one you got your 1-to-1. Let's look at the pound dollar now. It doesn't look too good. Right here, low, retracement, lower low, same trade, same flip and trade. Right here, ding and ding. And we would have got long right here. Remember, we're waiting for the candle to close above the 2 moving averages and the 5 to cross up above the 7 after the candle that you're drawing the divergence from. See? After the fact. See? That always, I keep showing this to you guys over and over again, how each step of everything keeps playing out. Just like, I don't think that is no, it's higher on this side. I thought it was a double top, but the Osma is not lining up with it. Okay, let's look at the euro. Okay, euro, we have the same trade right here. See it? Yeah, and where would it be? Yeah, it's on this one. You would have got in somewhere up here. So the stop's huge, man. When the stop is huge, you don't have to take the trade, you know. Okay, it's 25 pips. Did it go up 25 pips? No, it only went up 12, 13. Don't have to take the trade, okay, when you got a big long wick of a stop, because the stop always goes at the nearest swing low right there. And did I tell you I'm not a financial advisor, whether Christmas is almost here or not? Okay, ho, ho, ho. All right, but we have a trade up here, like a double top or a higher high. Getting dry mouth again. So you would have sold right there after the divergence, right? The cross down, the close down there, the 5 crossing down, and the candle closing down. Boom. Nearest swing high. There's the stop. 8 pips. Did it give you 8 pips? Oh yeah, I gave you 20. 2-to-1 right there. Okay. Pound yen. I think you can see it. It's right here. Low and lower low. And higher one on the indicator. You would have got long. Right in there. Wait for a pullback or get in right here. The stop was 30 pips on the pound yen. There's your 30 pips right there. Okay, euro yen. Oh, what a choppy mess that is. But after that all cleared out and it went up, there is a trade. It's right here. But there's no trade in here to buy it other than, you know, you buy above this block of crap right here. You buy somewhere in here or you buy a dip here, and that's it. Right? Buy a dip. Buy a lower, that doesn't qualify, that one. No. No, it doesn't qualify. It's too far from the 5. The whole point of that, when it's you know, it's not close to the 5, is you want to get in at the better price. So the better price is not away from the 5, it's right close to the 5. You see what I mean? That's what that's all about. Another thing I wanted to say to you: have you ever noticed when when the market is going up, going up, going up, but along the way it keeps going back down, going back down, going back down? See, it's an algorithm. They make it run like this because they know people who are long and want to take profits at a higher price. Right away, they shoot it right back down again, so you can't take your profit. You see what I'm saying? They're fucking with us. This algorithm is it's made to do whatever possible to stop us from taking a profit. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, look at it here. See? Oh, you'd want to take the profit after it rallied right here. Boom, they took it back down. See? There's profit here. Boom, they take it down, back down. Boom. Profit to take here. Boom, they take it right back down. See, right here, profit again to take. Boom, they take it right back down here again. The motherfuckers. That's a very important point I just made to you. Whether you realize it or not, you got to trust me on that. It's just, it'll drive you crazy if you're like a scalper. See? Here's some profit right here. Boom. And when it goes right back down after it goes up, it does it really motherfucking fast. You know what I'm saying? Really freaking mother fast. Because the quicker they bring it right back down again, the less fucking profit you take. But let me tell you, I'll be honest with you here. If you're trading on some Forex platform, like I say 9 out of 10, I say all of them, man. All of them. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it's not the big people behind this. Okay? It's just these little brokers. It's the owner of the broker who they're just running their price feed from this because they're identical, right? But anyway, you're trading against the broker and the forex brokers for sure. And in the futures brokers, I think some of them are crooked as well. I think so. Anyway, this game is very crooked. Sorry to tell you that before Christmas. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, but it's reality. So that's why if you're a scalper, okay, and you got profit, you want to have a counter. See, like right here, this counter? You want to have a counter because usually when they knock it back down is on the open and closes of new candles. See? See, like right here, closed here, boom, and then it opened, went a little bit up, then they rammed it right back down. See? Right here, rallied up, closed on the high, then that's where you want to take your profit is on the close of bullish candles and on the close of bearish candles because it'll go back up on a bearish candle or it'll go right back down after buying on a bull candle. See what I mean? Crazy, huh? Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy markets. You know, it was actually the very first place I ever traded. Okay? It's commodity. What the hell was it called? They were in Florida. And anyway, this guy, because they mess with me, these brokers that work within this brokerage, they got me into like 4 options. I don't even know what you call it, a butterfly split or some shit. I don't know what you call it. They charged me. This is how I was brand new then. I was greener than the grass in your front lawn. Okay? It was supposed to be $60 round turn. Back then it was a lot of money. 2001. $60 round turn. They were charging me $230 round turn. And I didn't have no clue whether that was right or wrong. And you know what happened? That is like, say, so it's 800 plus the 430s to 43s, 12, 120. So it was $920 that they charged me for commission and fees to buy these 4 options. I think 2 were long and 2 were short. I don't know. Like 2 were puts and 2 were calls. You know what I'm saying? And so I got pissed off there because they recommended some trade to me to begin with. It was just a loss. It was a freaking loss, you might as well say. And they just scammed me, these brokers. And then on top of it, they sold me 4 freaking options, 2 puts and 2 calls, or something like that. I don't know. I can't remember. It was like 22 years ago. And anyway, then I moved out of there because I didn't like those bastards. And I don't know why I left there, but I left. I went to this other brokerage, and I was showing him this trade. I still had it on. And he looks at that. He goes, "Oh, what the hell is this?" And he was, I could see him through the telephone shaking his head. Okay? We weren't on Skype back then. I was on a regular phone call. Anyway, somewhere in Oregon, there was this futures broker. Anyway, sorry to keep going on here. Anyway, they were charging me more money than I could ever possibly make. And this other broker said, he's there, they can't do this to you. You can't win, he said. There's no way to win. So anyway, I called up and complained, and I'm coming to the part why I'm telling you this story. So I was talking to the compliance officer, and he told me, he's there. He was really upset when he saw this. He's there. I can't believe they did this. He's there. Don't worry about it. He's there. You're getting all your money back, all the commissions and the fees. It was $920. I got that back. And before we ended the call, this compliance officer, he said to me, he said, "Wherever there's money, people are trying to steal it. Not aliens from Mars. People." People, peeps are trying to steal your money. And that's what's going on in these markets, whether you believe me or not. But anyway, so that's what's going on here. Like, the market's going up, and at the same time, it keeps going down, They make it impossible for you to take your profit. It's a bunch of bullshit. You can see that right here. Rallies up, they take it right back down. Rallies up, take it back down. Rallies up, take it back down. Rallies up, takes it back down. See? So, and then rallies up a little bit more, and then they take it right back down again. That's what they're doing. It's just a chop, 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 up and down shop. But honestly, like, that's what's happening. Sorry to bring that on to you for Christmas, but hey, maybe you'll want to do something else in the future. I don't know. But I'm just telling you the reality here. And one of the biggest things that I believe is bullshit is these prop firms. But hey, if that's where you want to try and trade, and trading's hard enough to try and make money as it is. Do you really want to add some more strict rules to it? And the one last thing I want to tell you about a prop firm is they entice you with, oh, you're going to get $100,000 account for $50 a month, right? But is it really $100,000? Is it really? Think about it. No, it's not. And they give you how much? Say $3,000 drawdown? And then they let you have the ability to trade 15 full contracts? Yeah. You tell me how fast you're going to go through that if you trade 15 contracts. How quickly it's going to hit your daily loss limit. Okay? But that's not even the important part. The important part is it's not a $100,000 account. It's $3,000. Your stop amount is your capital. It's not 100,000. It's only 3,000. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, I wish all of you the best with, trying to pass their challenge. There's people who do it, But I'll tell you one thing, if you're going to trade, these challenges, you can't trade the mini contracts. Okay, you can only trade a few micro contracts if you want to last for a while and try and make their profit of whatever it is. I think it's double. Yeah, so your account size is your daily loss or your loss limit, okay? So how do you explain it? So you have $3,000 stop, but you need to reach a $6,000 take profit. You see that? You need to make you ready? You need to make 200%. You see that? Before you and that all that does is just I think you just pass the evaluation and then you get into the the whatever it's called, the account where you make money supposedly. Uh P account. I don't know what you call it because I've never done those challenges. But yeah, so when's the last time you made, 200%? I've done it myself a couple of times, you know, but for the most part, no. I'm lucky if I make 30 to 50% on on my account balance. It's just it's not easy, man. So believe me, everything the prop firm does, it's done in their favor that you will not pass, you will fail. And they're running demos, okay? You're trading on demo accounts, all of you prop firm traders. That's what you're trading on, sorry to say. And if they tell you they're going to put you on a real live account, they're lying to you. It's bullshit. Yeah, it's all bullshit. They make money off people failing accounts. They don't make money saying that you're trading a live account. I don't believe that. But hey, that's me. Maybe I'm wrong, right? You never know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed everything I just explained to you, and especially about how the market goes up slowly and then keeps going down, making it hard for you to take the profit. Oh, the bastards, eh? Yeah, the bastards. Okay. Um, I think I've talked enough. Anyway, in Canada, we say Merry Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas. And in the United States, they usually say, have a happy holiday. So, to all my American friends, have a happy holiday, and everywhere around the world, um, also around the world, wherever else, have a Merry Christmas. And we'll see you next week.